Hi students, let's move on to the next topic of crime scene reconstruction, that is types of reconstruction. So what are the types of reconstructions? There are commonly 5 ways to classify the types of reconstruction, and depending on the nature of crime or the questions needing to be answered and the types of events that have taken place on that particular date, and a reconstruction that is based on the degree of involvement of the reconstructionist, we can divide the uh, crime scene reconstruction into 5 major ways. So let's see what are the types of reconstruction, or how we can classify the types of reconstruction. So first classification is based on specific type of incident reconstruction. There are two types, that is accident reconstruction and specific crime reconstruction. So accident reconstruction means in that we can include traffic accident reconstruction, that is whether it is an automobile or a truck or motorcycle. So which accident had taken place or had occurred, depending on that we can we can reconstruct the crime scene. And another type is other transportation accident reconstruction, such as train, airplanes and boat accidents. So this is another type of reconstruction, another type of accident reconstruction. So depending upon which vehicle had met with accident, so with that we can reconstruct the crime scene. And next one is industrial or construction accident reconstruction, on the job or employee accident, building collapses or machinery, etc. So there are 3 types: traffic accident reconstruction, so depending upon which vehicle met with the accident, like automobile, whether it is a truck or motorcycle, anything like that, so that comes under traffic accident reconstruction. And trains, airplanes and boat accident will comes under next one. And industrial accident reconstruction means sometimes in factories, because like machine accidents will happen, or building collapses will be there, or employee accidents will be there. So these kind of accidents are another type, and another type of accident reconstruction. So in specific type of incident reconstruction, the first one is accident reconstruction. In accident reconstruction, there are 3 types: traffic accident reconstruction, other transportation accident reconstruction, and industrial or construction accident reconstruction. And next one is specific crime reconstruction. This also comes under specific type of incident reconstruction. And specific crime reconstruction means depending upon whether it is an homicide, or whether it is a suicide, or whether it is an accidental crime, or whether it is an arson scene reconstruction, like arson scene or a rape case, and white collar crime reconstruction, or other specific crime scene reconstruction. So depending upon the crime, we can classify the type of reconstruction. So in specific crime reconstruction, what all things will come: homicide reconstruction, arson reconstruction, rape case reconstruction, then white collar crime reconstruction, and other specific scene reconstruction. And next one is after specific type of incident reconstruction, next one comes specific event reconstruction. So depending on the specific event that had happened, we can classify the crime scene type of reconstruction, that is sequence determination, directional determination, and we can add, we can reconstruct the event by its sequence, determine the sequence. We can reconstruct the event or the crime scene depending upon the direction of the event, and position of the event, and relational determination, then conditional determination and identity determination. So with this we can reconstruct the event. So next one is specific events reconstruction. What all things will come under this: sequence determination, directional determination, position determination of the event, then relational determination of the event, conditional determination of the event, and identity determination of the event. Then next one is degree of involvement reconstruction. So This type of classification is based on degree of the involvement reconstruction, and whether it is total case we are reconstructing, or only partial case we are reconstructing, or limited event reconstruction, or specific pattern reconstruction. So whether we are only reconstructing a specific pattern, only the blood pattern on the wall we are reconstructing, or whether the whole crimes we are reconstructing, or only a specific event on the of the crime we are reconstructing, or only the half of the case we are reconstructing. Like that, depending on the involvement we are reconstructing the crime scene. So third one is degree of involvement of reconstruction. And next one is specific type of physical evidence reconstruction, whether it is the physical evidence what we are collecting or what we are getting from the crime scene. Depending on that, we will reconstruct the crime scene. So if we are getting pattern evidence, if we are reconstructing pattern evidence, that is pattern evidence or shooting investigation evidence. So in one video I showed you how shooting that event, how they are created. So that is shooting investigation evidence. Then serological evidences, whether any blood or body fluids we are getting, from that we are creating the whole event. So like that, depending on the physical evidences, specific type of physical evidence crime scene is reconstructing. So that is the fourth one: pattern evidence, shooting investigation evidence, serological evidence, like that. Then next one is special areas of determination in reconstruction. That is, this is the last one. And specific areas or determination in reconstruction. Here it comes criminal profiling and scene profiling. So what is criminal profiling? Criminal profiling, the whole profile of the criminal will be obtained by a psychologist or psychiatrist, like how the MO means modus operandi. So the modus operandi, what is the modus operandi of that mode of operation of the criminal, what is his motive, and what is his psychological state, and whether he is mentally ill or not, whether it is an organized or disorganized crime scene, like that. All things he will in criminal profiling will include. So like this kind of reconstruction comes under special areas of determination in reconstruction. By taking the whole profile of the criminal and the profile of the crime scene of crime, whether it is a primary scene or whether it is a secondary crime scene, like that, the whole profile of the criminal and this crime scene they will take, and after that they will reconstruct the whole crime scene. So this is the fourth one. So what are the types? We'll check once again. Special area or determination in reconstruction. It includes criminal profiling and scene profiling. Criminal profiling means it includes the whole profile of the criminal, such as what is his modus operandi, what is his motive, what is his psychological state, and how he how he used to do crimes, like whether this person's crime scene is organized or whether it is disorganized, like that kind of things they will include in criminal profiling. Then scene profiling. Scene profiling means whether it is a primary crime scene or whether it is a secondary crime scene. So by determining that one, they can reconstruct the crime scene. And next one is specific type of physical evidence reconstruction. In this, it include, depending on the physical evidence collected from the scene of crime, they can reconstruct the crime scene, like pattern evidence, then shooting investigation evidence, and serological evidence, like that. Then next one is degree of involvement reconstruction. In this, it is classified like whether total case reconstruction they are doing, or partial case reconstruction, or limited event and specific pattern reconstruction. Then basic event reconstruction. It includes sequence determination, directional determination, position determination, relational determination, conditional determination, and identity determination. And another type is specific type of incident reconstruction. In this, two things are involved. Two types are the accident reconstruction and specific crime reconstruction. Accident reconstruction include traffic accident reconstructions like automobiles, truck, motorcycles, etc., and other transportation accident reconstruction. It includes trains, airplanes, boat accidents, etc. Then industrial or construction accident reconstruction, like employee accidents, building collapses, machinery accidents, etc. And in special crime reconstruction, homicide reconstruction, arson scene reconstruction, rape case reconstruction, white collar crime reconstruction, other specific crime scene reconstruction. So in this you can add like homicide reconstruction, like suicide reconstruction or accidental crime reconstruction, arson, explosive scene reconstruction you can add, or cyber crime, cyber crime reconstruction. Like that you can add more specific crimes. So these are the types of reconstructions. This is how we classify the types of reconstruction. So I hope you people understood this one, and if you have any doubts, clear it. Thank you. Ask me. We will discuss that in the discussion section. Thank you.